Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone textures not loading. This will be a quick fix guide. Just don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if this worked for you. So first of all, you want to open up Steam, then Call of Duty, go to properties and then install files. And you want to go ahead and see where you have installed your Call of Duty. So as you can see, I have installed it on my HDD. And this is why this causes a problem for me too. So I found a solution that all you need to do is go ahead and install it and move it to SSD. So just make sure that the game is installed rather on SSD than on HDD, because SSD is much faster than HDD. So that's why it's causing the no textures issue. If you're having it on HDD, the textures may appear after 3 to 5 minutes into the game, but still it will not fix it. So all you need to do is use Steam feature to move the game. So go ahead, right click on it, go to properties, then go to install files, and as you can see, there's move this game's content to another folder or drive. Click move install folder, and now you're gonna choose for example, my local drive. You're gonna see it there, and just go ahead and move it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.